When it comes to protective cases, there are a lot of options on the market. Hitcase is one of those options, and it does have a unique feature where it can accept connections from magnetic lenses and other magnetic accessories. Before we get into that, we'll go ahead and take a look at the case itself. The case is a prototype. This is available for pre-order currently and will be arriving in its official capacity in April. As you can see, it looks like a standard case, and it is made from like a soft TPU-like material. It isn't sticky like a TPU is when it's glossy. This is a matte finish and does offer a very good feel in hand. Here you can see some of the lenses that Hitcase offers, like a wide angle, macro, and they also offer a super wide. These are all purchased separately. You can purchase the lenses in a bundle, and you can also purchase them with a case where you'll get a small discount. The lens arrive in a protective soft pouch, and inside that pouch you have the lens, which is also protected by rubber covers. You can see here that the lens attaches fairly easily through the magnetic back. And if you have an iPhone X, this can be attached on the primary and the secondary portrait lens. On the top, there is a groove for the lens, so the attachment does fit snug, and it does give you kind of a guide. But if you do not hit that guide properly, you can always quickly adjust it, and that is extremely convenient when out and about trying to take photos. As mentioned before, there are three types of lenses. There is the wide, macro, and the super wide. For our testing purposes, we did get the wide and then also the macro. As you can probably see from the examples, the good thing about the wide lens here is that it isn't super aggressive when it comes to barrel distortion. So it does give you a little bit more in the picture without causing a lot of distortion. When it comes to the macro, it does what you would expect. So when you are trying to focus in close with the iPhone and you aren't capable, you can always pop on the macro lens, which will give you that option. One thing to note about the macro lens though, it is very, very picky. So when you are going to be focusing in, you'll want to make sure that you have everything in focus. Out in the field, it is harder to see what is and what isn't in focus. And the focusing area is very narrow with this lens. So be sure to double check the photos that you're taking to make sure that you're getting the results that you want. Thanks for watching this quick unboxing of the Hitcase Crio and its various lens attachments. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.